doing a short meditation which you can close your eyes and follow whenever you are tired, wherever you are sitting. If possible, try and sit straight. If you're lying down on a bed, then lie on your back. If you're on a chair, just make sure that your ankles and your legs are not crossed and your arms are not crossed. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your natural breath. And just follow my voice. I feel so tired. I just want to sink in and be still. I can feel the fatigue in my limbs. And some heaviness in the body. I am so grateful that I have these few moments when I can be still and revive myself. I breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in freshness. Breathe out the fatigue. Just keep breathing in freshness. Breathe out the fatigue. Think of one scene from nature that always makes you happy. It could be the beach, the mountains, the riverside, anything. Breathe out one stale thought that has been repeating inside. It could be, I must do, I should do, I have not done. anything that starts with any of these three. Breathe it out. Feel your eyes relax. Your facial muscles relax, especially around the lips and the nose. Take a deep breath, feel your shoulders relax. I breathe out. I should have done, I could have done, I have not yet done. When will I do? Feel the arms and fingers relax, the back, the upper body, the groin, the legs, the feet. Shake the feet slightly, move the legs slightly, move from one bum to the other. Move your body slightly. Ask forgiveness from your body that you have pushed it so much that you're so tired. Thank yourself for the efforts that you put in, and ask yourself, to only do as much as can be done, and then take a few minutes of rest before carrying on with the rest of the day. Breathe in the energy that you see around you. Rub your palms together. Pass them over your eyes. Think a kind thought for yourself. Think, I'm so hardworking, I'm considerate, I'm generous. I like to do my best. Whatever you believe to be true of yourself. One little reward thought, and then open your eyes. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.